Look, it's very nice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we want to go to Brussels. Just a short shopping. We want to look for something. What do you think?
I think the short shopping is when you buy something 10 euro, not when you buy something 200 euro.
So let's go. Join us. Hi guys, we are here already. What did you do there?
I stay. Go there, I'll put it again.
Guys, we are going to Media Mart. Let's go. What are we going to do there?
Where?
Yeah. We look for something.
What you do in the shop? We look for something.
Nice. Wow. Actually, last 2 years when we go home, when we was in Philippines, I bought this GoPro 7 for my brother. And now they have Hero 8 and Hero 9. And these are the prices. GoPro Hero 7 silver is 215 euro. GoPro Hero 7 black 279. Wow. And here Hero 8 329. Wow. Hero 9 427. Wow. It's getting expensive. But it's very beautiful. Wow. These are the accessories of GoPro. This one is the protective housing. Different price amay. And then the curve and flat adhesive mounts. The head strap. Wow, they were so expensive.
Yeah, you also have to put SIM card here.
Actually, it's more nice
More
if
nice
you
for
can
the
put,
internet,
yeah,
not for talking, huh?
if you can put a SIM card for data, you know, if you are outside,
I will
you
look
can
for
use it. Here, you can buy some accessories bag for the laptop. And in this part is all laptop in different models. New and old models. Price 1,179. Wow. This one is Apple notebook. Before it is 1,249, but now it's on sale. This is the price now. It's 2019 edition. So the desktop is more cheap. You can see the price. Yes, it's also, this top is good for gaming. It's cheap, more cheap. Yes, here you go. Actually, I'm looking for a calling for my laptop, but I think they don't have. I have to look more. Did you find?
What?
Huh?
I found something what my mom liked before. Come.
Which one? You can see, guys, this is a gadget shop here. So guys, we will go in another shop because we cannot find a cooling fan for my laptop in MediaMarkt. Yeah, we can look there. Huh? Hubby is in the fitting room. I'm waiting for him outside. Today is his day, looking for summer clothing because he gained weight for staying home. So he need a new clothes.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, they're more nice than that one.
That's good. So he already choose one. Just 1.7?
Yeah, I asked her, come tomorrow with me without the long. No.
I want this for the ears. This one. Ear plug. This one is a sleep mask for your eye. Going to the casa now.
Badan juga kung ba't kumakala ko sa likod. Did you have outside?
Sorry?
Did you have outside?
Ne.
Bakit ko naman kung no? Mas dami mo sa Saan ko na? Gusto mo? Dal? Gusto siya nito? Siguro ko.
Right. Cinq, non?
Hi guys! We are home already. Just a short visit. Supposed to be, we just want to buy some cooling fan for my laptop. But we ended buying some other stuff because it's not available in 2 shops where we go. So guys, I want to show you just a quick one what we bought. So I bought these AirPods. I know, earplugs. This one. And hubby bought this one. So he bought it. And also I bought a conditioner because I don't have a cream silk anymore. And I don't have time to order in the Filipino shop. So it's a Nature Box Repair Conditioner, avocado. And I also bought a shower cup. And lastly, last but not the least, so I bought this adjustable diffuser, this one, and also essential oil for good night sleep. So I will try it on tonight if it's effective. So guys, that's all for today. See you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us everyone. Bye.